This is Devinder Kaur and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Enlightened Room. Dear students, in this video we are going to talk about the unicellular and multicellular organisms. So let's get started with the unicellular organisms. As you can see from its name, the uni stands for one and cellular, that means one type of cell or single cell. So unicellular organisms are the organisms in which a single cell performs all the life processes. Let us say this is a single cell of the unicellular organism. So this single cell would perform all the life processes, and what those life processes are? Those are respiration, digestion, excretion, growth and reproduction. Yes, my dear students, even the process of reproduction, even the process of digestion, excretion, respiration, growth, all these processes are performed by this one single celled organisms. So these are the unicellular organisms. So what are those single celled organisms? Those are amoeba, you can say amoeba, it is paramecium, it is bacteria. These are the single celled organisms. Now let's talk about the multicellular organisms. Now what these multicellular organisms are? As you can see from its name too, multi means more than one, right? More than one or two, it may be 2, 3, 4 and even more than 4. And cellular, that means more than one type of cell, right? So these are the multicellular organisms. The multicellular organisms are those organisms in which a number of cells are present. There is one organism and there are number of cells are present in the multicellular organism. And what are the best examples of multicellular organisms? We human beings, we are the multicellular organisms. Even plants, animals, all of them are multicellular organisms. Okay, so how they perform their life process? As in unicellular organisms, only single cell performed all the life processes. So what happens in the multicellular organisms? As we have our human body. In our human body, our heart pumps the blood, our kidneys do some function, it helps in the function of excretion, our stomach helps in the function of digestion, our brain has different function, our lungs have the function of breathing, or you can say respiration. Right? So, as in our human body, all the different organs have their work to do, have their function to do, have their process to do. Similarly, in the multicellular organism, there is division of labor. There is division of labor. That means every cell performs their own process. For that, you can say in one cell there are different cell organelles that perform different functions, like mitochondria. You would have heard about this, that mitochondria is called the powerhouse of cell. Why? Because mitochondria produces energy in this cell. Okay, ribosomes synthesize the proteins, or you can say yes, ribosomes synthesize the proteins. Okay, and carbohydrates are digested in chloroplast. Lysosome clear up the waste in the cell. The waste produced in the cell has been cleared by the lysosomes. So all these functions are performed by different cell organelles in one cell. But there are number of cells present in it, like this in the multicellular organisms. So as our body performs different functions, as our organs of our body performs different functions, similarly the cell organelles perform different functions of the cell. So this happens in only multicellular organisms, not in the unicellular. Unicellular performs all the life processes, but in multicellular organisms there is division of labor. Okay, and we had studied about the theory of cell lineage. If you remember, in the previous video we had talked about the theory of cell lineage. This theory of cell lineage was given by R. Virchow, which means that the cells are developed from the cells are produced from the pre-existing cells. So the multicellular organisms follow the theory of cell lineage, which was given by R. Virchow. Okay, given by R. Virchow. So these are the unicellular and multicellular organisms. So I hope this video was helpful to you. This small information was helpful to you for your exams and for your studies. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel.